Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Dunny Report. This story takes place out in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, to where this transgender, who is known as an unlicensed plastic surgeon, will be spending the next 10 years in prison after pleading guilty to manslaughter. O'Neal Ron Morris has been illegally injecting superglue and fix-a-flat into her patients for years in order to better shape people's behinds. But one of the injections ended up leading to the death of Sataka Nubi, who paid for an injection nearly 5 years ago and died from complications from the procedure almost 2 years later. Before I go any further, let's roll the clip.
I've been found guilty by the media and outside sources based on lies.
She says she's the victim of media attention, and that's why she pled no contest in the death of Shatarka Nubi. She won't have to face a jury. O'Neal Morris spoke at her sentencing hearing Monday, reading a letter to Nubi's family, saying this is all a misunderstanding.
I have never, ever, or would dare ever to inject or have injected any human with any type of unknown substance.
She got 3 kids! Yeah, the mother. No remorse!
Those words, not enough for family and friends of the victim.
So as far as I'm concerned, 15 years is not enough.
Some asking the judge to give Morris a life sentence. Authorities say Morris performed a butt injection using a deadly mix of ingredients that led to complications ending in Nubi's death. Police say Morris made a business out of performing cut-rate cosmetic procedures using various chemicals like cement or superglue, even fix-a-flat, the gunk that's used to seal punctured tires. Several people had come forward to talk about the procedures. Nubi's mother is angry. She believes Morris should have taken responsibility.
My daughter died the most inhumane death. 18 months she suffered with not knowing the full of what he put in her body.
Morris insists, however, that none of it's true, so she instead threw herself at the mercy of the court and was sentenced to 10 years in prison and 5 years probation.
Morris has since been blamed by the media for her conviction, saying that she was found guilty by the media and outside sources based on a lie. Nubi's mother, however, believes Morris should take responsibility for what she did instead of blaming outside forces. Her mother said that her daughter died the most inhumane death. For 18 months she suffered without knowing the full story of what she put in her body. Morris claims that this is not true, saying that she has never, ever, or would dare to inject or have injected any human with any type of unknown substances. This is not the first time that Morris has been in trouble with the law for her practice. She was previously arrested for practicing medicine without a license. For this latest crime, Morris, who is a transgender woman, will serve the next 10 years in the male prison in Miami-Dade County, Florida, followed by 5 years probation. Okay, well, gotta realize something. This woman still has her penis, so by that, she still is listed as being a man, because she still has her genitals, which is her penis, or his penis. You know, my sisters, is it really worth it? There are a lot of sisters are dying because of these, going to these underground doctors, these fake hood ass ghetto doctors, and just let them inject all kind of crap in your behinds, and you end up dying from complications from that. And it's really sad that our people still haven't learned from this. Our women still haven't learned from this, all because you're trying to save a few dollars. And by this woman saving a few dollars, these are the results. Going to somebody who's not licensed to do it, unprofessional, don't know what the hell he or she is doing. And like I said, it caused this woman to die. Come on, y'all. Come on, black women. We need to stop this. We need to stop this all because you're trying to keep up with the Joneses. If you're going to do something like this, you need to go to a professional. Spend the money. Stop going to these underground doctors who don't know what the fuck are they doing. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. And some of you are still going to them. You're just playing Russian roulette with your own lives. Don't. It's not worth it. Just work with what God gave you. That's all I have to say on this one. And believe me, this TG woman probably don't have no problem going to a man's prison. Probably don't. Probably prefers it. Okay? And you know, personally, she should be getting more time than that. But women need to stop going to these type of people who don't know what the hell they're doing, all because they're trying to save a dollar, or some of them are even going to cross the border, going to Mexico, getting this type of stuff done, and end up dying. When will we learn? When will we learn? That is the question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, Dunham Report, These Crazy Vids. Check out my website, thedunhamreport.com. And until the next time, y'all, black women, take care of yourselves, please.